Today, people have come to equate nutrition with pills, powders, and potions. I mean, it's so obvious when you look even here on YouTube, you see all these commercials for this protein powder or that protein shake, or it has 52 ingredients or 72 ingredients. They wouldn't be doing all these ads that cost them quite a bit of money if they weren't selling a lot of products. But here's the thing you have to remember about supplements. You cannot extract a constituent of a whole food. Let's say it's calcium, okay? You take the calcium out of the kale leaves or out of the spinach, and now you've got a calcium pill. That pill can never do for you what the kale and the spinach can do, because the kale and the spinach have all their synergistic properties together, and they're working together so that you can utilize the calcium that's in that food. Actually, in my view, when you take these extracted constituents of a whole plant food and isolate them, you're actually, in my opinion, doing your body, well, in some instances, if you're very nutritionally deficient, it may temporarily help you, or it may move symptoms around, but it never creates true health. Okay, it's a temporary fix at best, at best. Personally, I do not take any, and I'll be 74 this year, no medications, no surgeries, and I totally attest it to the fact that my wife and I went vegan 15 years ago, and we eat raw vegan also, which gives you the highest energy food on the planet. We eat a lot of fruit, which is the highest energy food on the planet. They can measure the energy in a food by angstroms. And fruits come out number one. I think it's somewhere to 8,500 to 10,000 angstroms in fruits. Vegetables come in number two, around 7,000 to 8,500 angstroms. Now, a human being, they can measure the electric pulses in your body or in a food. Human beings, just to be able to smile, you need 6,500 angstroms. Okay, so just to be happy and feel good, you need 6,500. So when you eat fruits and vegetables, you're getting such high energy food, but you have to eat them in their whole synergistic form to be able to utilize the calcium, let's say, okay? Because calcium has to be accompanied by everything else that's in that food, the phosphorus, the magnesium, whatever it is, for it to be fully utilized. So, I think supplements, the only time that someone would need supplements if they had a serious nutritional deficiency. And, you know, if you feel relatively healthy, you don't need supplements. Eat the whole food. That's the key. Eat the whole food. And eat a lot of fruit if you want energy. Because the energy that's in fruit can be passed to your cells, giving you more energy and vitality. Fruit is also it's the greatest cleanser of any foods we have. It keeps the internal plumbing moving, which is key to your health. Because if you're not having, let's say you're eating 3 meals a day, you should be having 3 bowel movements a day. If you're not, your digestion has been slowed down too much, and you're retaining too much toxic material. And what is it that slows down digestion? Eating, in my opinion, supplements would slow down because your body does not recognize that as a whole food. It recognizes it as something foreign, something toxic that you have to get rid of. But when you take it as a whole, synergistically, your body recognizes it and can utilize it. But other things like too much saturated fats will slow your digestion down. And I know because I've experienced this firsthand. The first 58 years of my life, I was on a high animal-based food diet. I was eating hamburgers, pot roast, bacon, you name it. I would eat any animal-based product, sausage and eggs for breakfast. I got to the point, my digestion got so bad, I was struggling to have a bowel movement. And I had hemorrhoids, I had fissures. If you've ever had fissures, you don't want to go there. Believe me, you don't want to go there. And soon as I went plant-based, raw vegan, 1 or 2 weeks, boom, my plumbing is moving fine. So it's whole foods that we need, not supplements. We need them fresh, ripe, organic if possible, and they will supply all the vitamins, minerals, and any other nutrients that the human body needs, even B12. Our bodies, when they're healthy, manufacture our own B12. And if we don't sanitize our fruits and vegetables too much, don't go crazy, because fruits and vegetables have B12 on them. So I don't take a B12 supplement. I'm 74 years old, and I still have decent energy. I'm not saying I feel like I'm 25, but I'm still teaching tennis. I still work out. And I'm not trying to brag. The only reason I'm saying this is because I want people to realize you don't need all those potions and pills and all that stuff. You just have to eat real food. And fruit is the real deal more than any other food. I eat more fruit than I do vegetables. I totally believe that vegetables are important. They have a lot of mineral content that we need and we can't get from fruits. Vegetables are the highest source of minerals. But, you could live just on fruit, but I think you'd have a slight deficiency of minerals. That's why I eat leafy greens and I eat other vegetables. And I enjoy them very much. So anyway, that's my little talk on supplements. I'm on none, and I feel fine. I feel good. I get sunshine. I get my vitamin D there, and I eat. You're going to get so much vitamin C when you eat raw fruits and vegetables, loaded with vitamin C. Vitamin C is your best, your absolute best, better than anything else, protection against cancer. Vitamin C. So, and it's in all fresh, ripe, raw fruits and vegetables. So, please give this video a like, a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, post them below. Check the description box. I have a link to Zero shoes. Great shoes, wide toe box, flat on the ground. They're fantastic. And also to Dr. Doug Graham's books. And fantastic. I've been, like I said, vegan for 15 years. And I've learned more from Dr. Graham's books than anything else. So, all the best, guys. Take care. Fruit up. You know I'm going to be doing it. Absolutely fruiting up today. Take care.